Welcome to Wheelie Silly, the ultimate compendium of doodle-inspired jokes about everything that rolls, spins, skates, or scoots. Whether you're into cars that zoom, chairs that swivel, skates that glide, or toy trucks that crash into your toes at 2 a.m., this collection is your pit stop for pun-fueled laughter. So grab your helmet, strap in, and prepare for a joyride through the absurd. Why did the car blush? It saw the gas pump staring. The roller skate tried stand-up comedy. It bombed. Too many flat jokes. The chair joined a rock band. It was great at sitting in during rehearsals. The toy truck got a modeling gig. It's now the face of crash chic. The bicycle started a blog. It's called Pedal Thoughts. The office chair went to therapy. It had deep-seated issues. The skateboard ran for mayor. Its platform, more ramps for everyone. The toy car wrote a memoir. From shelf to glory. The tire started a dating profile. Round, reliable, and always rolling. The rollerblade got ghosted. Turns out it was just a wheel rebound. The chair joined a yoga class. It mastered the pose. Full recline. The scooter became a poet. Its first piece, Ode to Asphalt. The toy truck got a tattoo. It says, "Built, not bought." The car tried meditation. It kept drifting into traffic thoughts. The skates went on strike. They demanded smoother sidewalks. The chair started a podcast. Conversations from the corner. The wheel got a promotion. It's now head of rotation. The toy car got a speeding ticket in the hallway. The roller skate joined a dating show. It was a total spin-off. The chair got jealous of the beanbag. It said, "You're just a lazy sack." The toy car joined a gym. It wanted to work on its core, engine. The roller skate got a promotion. It's now head of glide operations. The chair started a band. It's called The Sitcoms. The scooter went to therapy. It had abandonment issues, kept getting left outside. The toy truck became a chef. Its specialty, crushed pepper. The tire started a YouTube channel. Rolling reviews, irate pavement. The office chair wrote a novel, 50 Shades of Beige. The skateboard got a tattoo. It says Born to Roll. The toy car went to space. It's now a part of the Astro Nomad fleet. The chair got arrested. It was caught loitering in the hallway. The rollerblade ran for president. Its campaign slogan, "Smooth moves for all." The car joined a dating app. It's looking for someone with good mileage. The toy truck got a job at the bakery. It delivers donuts, literally. The scooter became a philosopher. It ponders, if I roll, do I exist? The chair went to a rave. It just sat there, but spiritually vibed. The tire wrote a haiku. Round and round I go. Never-ending rubber sole pothole breaks my flow. The toy car got a makeover. Now it's a glambulance. The roller skate joined a circus. It's the human cannonball's getaway ride. The chair started a TikTok. It's just videos of it spinning dramatically. The scooter got a speeding ticket in the kitchen. The car tried to join a book club. It couldn't stop judging covers by their paint jobs. The toy truck got a flat tire. It blamed the snack aisle. The convertible went to therapy. It had trouble opening up. The car joined a choir. It was great at humming. The taxi started a side hustle. It's now an Uber spy. The minivan wrote a horror story. Trapped with kids the road trip. The race car got a cold. It kept sneezing into its spoiler. The tow truck started dating. It's into clingy types. The sedan got a tattoo. Born to break. The GPS got fired. It kept saying recalculating during meetings. The rollerblade joined a dating app. It's looking for someone to roll with. The skateboard got a job in tech. It's now a UX glider. The scooter went to therapy. It had a fear of curbs. The roller skate started a band. It's called The Toe Stops. The hoverboard got grounded. It was caught levitating past bedtime. The inline skates joined a conga line. It turned into a traffic jam. The scooter wrote a memoir, Handlebar Confessions. The skateboard got a nose ring. Now it's a punk board. The rollerblade became a life coach. Its motto, keep moving forward. The scooter got a promotion. It's now director of Zoom. The office chair started a podcast. Back support, the untold stories. The beanbag got a modeling gig. It's now the face of casual chic. The recliner joined a dating show. It's looking for someone to lean on. The swivel chair got dizzy. It spun out of control. The folding chair got stage fright. It collapsed under pressure. The rocking chair started a band. It's called the Gentle Shakes. The stool got jealous. It said, "I'm just as supportive." The armchair became a therapist. It's great at listening and hugging. The chair joined a protest. It demanded more legroom. The ottoman got a job in HR. It's great at footnotes. The Hot Wheels car got a speeding ticket. In the sandbox, the toy truck started a YouTube channel. Crash Test Dummies Anonymous. The remote control car got hacked. It now only drives in circles. The toy car joined a band. It plays lead vroom. The plastic tricycle got a makeover. Now it's a glam cycle. The toy dump truck got dumped. It's now emotionally unloaded. The RC car got a job in finance. It's great at short-term investments. The toy ambulance got a promotion. It's now chief of pretend emergencies. The toy motorcycle wrote a poem. 2 wheels, 1 dream. The toy car got a parking ticket. In the cereal box.
Vamos na dude. Copy, bud. Hey! Hey! Yeah. Yeah. Whoa! Hey! Dance with me. You should dance. Yahoo! Dance, yeah. Hey! I'm not sure that we can do that. Dip so clean. What were you booting? Booty was nothing, honey. Boring gun. Mama. That was good. this. Luigi Badam. Let's do this! Nobody's here! Do not booty disturb it, what? Do not walk this way, bud. Help a la booty. What? Oh my booty bummy, what a gum! What's your boots, you booty human? Booty. one, dude. What? Doodland is best, yeah. What is going on? Vámonos a la Doodland. Cámara a la pami pam. Vámonos find you, pretty little pam. It's not good a la pookie mama. Vámonos find you, spooky little pam.
A few moments later.
Nobody love. Nobody love. I'm Profi Bro. What? Drop a lot. Vámonos, dude. Copy, bud. Hey! Bonbon, bunun.